The architectural design is something that deserves to be preserved forever as a World Heritage. Sculptures, the carvings are very intricate and very masterfully done, and that too is a reflection of the tremendous outstanding culture in the state of Odisha.
आर्ट देख के मुग्ध हो गए हैं।
Original temple is in museum itself, and then another.
Well, this is my first time visiting the Konark Sun Temple. I have heard so much about it, and what I see when I actually visit the site meets my expectation and even more than my expectation, because this is a very important historic monument. The architectural design is something that deserves to be preserved forever as a World Heritage. The sculptures, the carvings are very intricate and very masterfully done, and that too is a reflection of the tremendous outstanding culture in the state of Odisha many centuries ago. And for posterity, this has been maintained and is continuing to be maintained. So it is a very good thing, and I'm sure it will attract more and more visitors over the years to come, and I look forward to this structure being maintained as a heritage center for all time to come.
So this is my first visit, and it is, of course, no wonder that it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, because it is an incredible structure. I think that the detail and the craft, and I think the other thing to be commended is the preservation by the Indian people, of this world heritage, not just a heritage for India, but a heritage for the rest of the world.
We're at Konark at the Sun Temple here. It's been a fantastic visit. We really appreciate all the effort put in by the Ministry of External Affairs to allow us, members of the diplomatic corps, to come here and visit and learn more about India. It's really been such a pleasure to be a part of this trip. Again, warm thanks to the ministry.
हम आज 14 एम्बेसडर हाई कमिश्नर को लेके कोणार्क टेम्पल आए हैं, तो ये लोग इनका आर्किटेक्चर और आर्ट देख के मुग्ध हो गए हैं। इतना विशाल मंदिर है, इसका कितने साइंटिफिक तरीके से इसको बनाया है। ये सब 500 साल पहले भारत के जो संस्कृति था, आर्किटेक्चर था, उसको देख के वो लोग बहुत ही प्रभावित हुए हैं। ये वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्प्रेसिव यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट्स है, तो इसीलिए हम उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट को हम धन्यवाद देते हैं कि वो लोग हमको ले आए और 14 देशों के एम्बेसडर्स, हाई कमिश्नर्स को इसको देखने के लिए ले आए। इससे मुझे लगता है कि टूरिज्म जिसका पोटेंशियल बहुत है उड़ीसा में, वो डेफिनेटली डेवलप होएगा। Thank you.
The art and culture, you have seen this art and culture. How will you tell that?
Orissa has a reputation for being a state which is very rich in art, culture, literature, in every way, in all forms of culture, whether it is art, whether it is architecture, whether it is textile design, artisanship. So it is really very rich, and it was in full display here when we came to see.
How the tourism sector is developed because of this?
You know, yesterday we attended the Bali Jatra, for which these ambassadors and high commissioners had come. So these are occasions to showcase Orissa to the rest of the world, and we in the Ministry of External Affairs in Delhi will promote this in the future also. This is the first time that in Bali Jatra we have had so many ambassadors coming. Next year also we will continue to do this and project all that Orissa has to offer to the rest of the world.